Serious security situation, Mr. Speaker, is an extremely sad thing. Of the many things that Senator Cherargei has ever said on the floor of this House, I think I now finally and formally agree with him when he says that the Cabinet Secretary for Interior is followed and is a testimony that incompetence cannot be substituted. And one thing that he has ever said, that incompetence was seen when he was in the Ministry of Roads, incompetency followed him when he went to the Ministry of Sports, and incompetency has followed him now, Mr. Speaker, in the Ministry of Interior, Madam Speaker. Unfortunately, we can stand if our sports sometimes does not work. We can stand if there's a pothole or a problem in roads, Madam Speaker. But what can we say about 7 people being killed in one day, one night, Mr. Speaker? Not spoken for 3 minutes, certainly. I don't know why the crack is. Mr. Speaker, it cannot be that we have not had any comment, and I want the Senator for Kitui to challenge me. We have not even had a comment, just one comment from the Minister for Interior. In a democracy that would be working, the Cabinet Secretary should have at least even given the people of Kitui the comfort of telling them, this is exactly what we are doing, Mr. Speaker. I don't know why I keep calling you Madam Speaker. I think it's because I speak after you have left most of the times. Mr. Speaker, sir, if you look at what has been given to, as an answer to the Senator for Kitui, that people should leave game reserves. You know, this is such a sad answer, Mr. Speaker, because, Mr. Speaker, these are people who have lived in Seikuru. I was there down. I was down that route over the weekend, Mr. Speaker. This is a place these people have called home all their lives, Mr. Speaker, and they are now being told that you have to vacate just because some people, and incompetence is being seen. Mr. Speaker, this country is descending to something that we cannot stand. This country is descending into levels that we have never seen. On one side, the citizens are crying about this country becoming a good nation. On the other side, even citizens who are peaceful, somebody has said that Kabas are very peaceful. The most peaceful citizens, Mr. Speaker, cannot enjoy quality of life. I don't know how I will stop calling you Madam Speaker. Are not enjoying quality of life, Mr. Speaker. 7 people are being killed one night. I've seen on the 25th of April, 7 people are killed. Nothing has been said by the Minister for Interior. Nothing has been said by the PS for Interior. Nothing has been said by the National Police Service. But they are always very available, Mr. Speaker, to come and throw tear gas in our meetings, Mr. Speaker. Where are these policemen to protect life and property of the people of Kenya, Mr. Speaker? It cannot be that they are always very present when they are being sent to go and deal with political problems. But they cannot protect life and they cannot protect property of the people of Kenya. I thank you, Mr. Speaker.